Good morning, children. Today in our this math class, we will continue our exercise 1.8. In our last class, children, we have done rounding off number to the nearest 10. There were some rules. Now let's revise. Round off to the nearest 10. To round off a number to the nearest 10, observe the digit at the ones place. If the digit at the ones place is less than 5, then replace the ones digit by 0 and retain the other digits as they are. And if the ones digit is 5 or greater than 5, you will replace the ones digit by 0 and increase the tens digit by 1 and retain the other digits as they are. In our previous class, children, we discussed these things and we solved examples also. Now today we will do round off to the nearest 100. To round off a number to the nearest 100, observe the digit at the tens place. If the tens digit is less than 5, then you will replace the ones digit and the tens digit by 0 and retain the other digits as they are. There will be no changes in other digits. Clear? And if the tens digit is 5 or greater than 5, then again you will replace the ones and the tens digit by 0 and this hundredths digit we will increase by 1 and again other digits there will be no change. It will be more clear, children, when we will do some examples. Let's take an example. To round off 3129 to the nearest 100. Okay. Now I am writing here the place values, children. Now you have to check for the tens digit. Okay. Because we have to round off to the nearest 100. So you will check for the tens digit. Now what digit is there at the tens place? It is your 2. Now 2 is less than 5. So we will follow rule number 1. What was our rule number 1? If the tens digit is less than 5, you replace the ones and the tens digit by 0 and retain the other digits as they are. There will be no changes in the other digits, but ones and tens digit we will write 0. So we will follow this. The digit at the tens place is 2. That is less than 5. So replace the ones and tens digit by 0 and retain the other digits as they are. So here the ones and the tens place will become 0, 0. Okay. So our round off number will be 3, 1, 0, 0. Clear? So when we round off 3129 to the nearest 100, our answer is 3100. That is 3100. Okay. Now again I am taking another example. To round off 3285 to the nearest 100. Again, children, we will check for the digit at the tens place. Now what digit is there at the tens place? It is your 8. Now 8 is more than 5 or less than 5? Yes, it is more than 5. So we will follow rule number 2. In that rule, what is the thing? We will convert 0 ones and the tens place 0, but we will increase the digit at the hundreds place by 1. Clear? Ones and tens digit will become 0, 0 and the hundreds place digit will be increased by 1. So what will be the changes? Here 0, here 0 and here 2 will be increased by 1. That is 2 will become 3. So our number will be 3300. Clear? I am writing here. The digit at tens place is 8. That is more than 5. So increase the digit at the hundreds place by 1. That is, we will change 2 to 3 and replace this ones and the tens place digit by 0 and retain the other digits as they are. There will be no changes in the digit at the thousands place. Clear? So when we convert 3285, when we round off this number to the nearest 100, the answer will be 3300. That is 3300. Clear, children? You have to just take care and you have to check the digit at the tens place whether it is less than 5 or more than 5. It will be more clear, children, when we will do some exercise questions. Let's start. Question number 2. Round up the following numbers to the nearest 100. Our first question is 4285. So again, you see in the rough column, children, 4285. You have to check the digit at the tens place. So tens place digit is 8 and 8 is greater than 5. So when it is more than 5 or 5, what we do? We change ones and tens digit by 0, and the digit at the hundreds place will be increased by 1. So what will happen? Here 5 will become 0, 8 will become 0, and this 2 will be increased by 1. So 2 will become 3. Clear? So 4285 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 4300. That is 4300. Clear? So what you will do, children? You will observe the digit at the tens place, whether it is less than 5 or more than 5. Again, I am taking question number B, 3897. Look here in the rough area, 3897. What digit is there at the tens place? It is 9. 9 is again more than 5. So again we will follow rule number 2. Our ones place digit and tens place digit will be 0, 0. And the digit at the hundreds place will increase by 1. So what digit is there at the hundreds place? It is your 8. So it will become 9. Yes. So our answer will be 3900. Am I clear? See, I am explaining here. Is 9 greater than 5? So replace the ones and the tens digit by 0 and increase the digit at the hundreds place by 1. That is 8 to 9. So when we round off 3897 to the nearest 100, the answer is 3900. That is 3900. Move to the next question, children. That is 2030. Now you tell me which digit is there at the tens place. Yes, it is your 3. And 3 is less than 5. Follow the rule number 1. When the tens digit is less than 5, you will just change ones and tens digit by 0. Replace these by zeros. And there will be no changes in other digits. So ones place digit and tens place digit will become 0, 0. So our answer will be 2000. That is 2000. So 2030 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 2000. You just notice, children, we are checking the digit at the tens place. Now our question number D, 1891. Now tell me which digit is there at the tens place. Yes, it is our 9. 9 is more than 5. So what we will do, children, in this case? Again we will replace ones and the tens place digit by 0. And the hundreds place digit will be increased by 1. What digit is there at the hundreds place? It is your 8. So 8 will be increased by 1. So it will become 9. Yes. So ones and the tens place digit will be 0, 0. And hundreds place digit will be increased by 1. So it will become 9. So our answer will be 1900. Clear? So 1891 rounded off to the nearest 100 will be 1900. So you write here answer, children. I hope you are getting. You have to practice this and always remember the rules when the digit at the tens place is less than 5 and when the digit at the tens place is 5 or greater than 5. Now children, you will do the rest questions in your notebook. And now today's home assignment, you have to practice all the sums which we have done today in our rough copy. And you will solve exercise 1.8, question number 2. in your notebook. In our previous class, we have done question number 1. This time we will do question number 2. That is rounding off the given number to the nearest 100. Now one more question is there, children. We will do in our next class. I hope you are doing all your assignments properly in your notebook and always practice the sums. I will be sending you the last home assignment answers and I will send you this question number 2 also. Please do at home and stay safe. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.